What's up, guys? Back at it again. It's July 7th, 1:30 a.m. Today we wrote some Verilog code, implemented ALU. So we basically did lab 5. We did lab 5 today. So drew the block diagrams for the ALU, right? Block level diagrams for the MIPS ALU that implements 7 different instructions: add, subtract, set less than, and, or, XOR, and NOR, right? 7 different instructions, and wrote some Verilog code and verified the timing, added some timing constraints, etc., etc. Right. So we designed it. So we basically implemented this design into code. Not exactly this design. I tweaked it a little bit. So this was the design that I used. Um, Basically this one plus this one. And or XORs, right? Blah 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 blah. Pretty cool. Completed this. Um, yeah, I mean it's pretty interesting. So it's pretty late, so I think we're just gonna do a random one. Maybe this one, 1865. Wow, it's a lot of shit. What the fuck? Okay, you are given 2 integer arrays, nums1 and nums2. You are tasked to implement a data structure that supports CLEAR in 2 types. Add a positive integer to an element of a given index in the arrays nums2. Count the number of pairs such that nums1 plus nums2 equals a given value. Fuck. Um, this is like dynamic programming, right? I would assume. Add a positive integer to an element of a given index in the array nums2. Is this dynamic programming? I don't even know. Um, Hash table? I don't know. Let's just do something chill today. Because we did write some Verilog code today. That's enough coding for me. I just wanna get it done. Okay, what is this? Given an array of integer array, a lucky integer has a frequency in the array equal to its value. Return the large lucky integer. Oh, okay. Um, I think the most easy way would be to store it in a map, right? I think. Y array frequency I plus, and then I iterate through the frequency map for auto iterator equals. Uh, right, something like that. Oh, oops. Mm, no? Oh, it's the largest. It has to be the largest, right? Um, to return the largest one. So let's go in res, right? Um, Smallest one would be -1. Okay, let's see. Iterator versus bigger than res, and res will equal to this. What? It's equals, and the first is also bigger than res. Res will equals to, if it's equals and it's bigger, then I change it. Oh, dear. Boom, boom. Show me the money. It should be easy. Boom. Okay. Is there a better way? Um, is there a better way? If I don't use an ordered map, if I just one pass it, then there is probably a better way. Let's see. Just show me the code, fam. Okay, that's what I did. But is there a better way? Oh, that's like the same thing as me. Is it only arrays? Yeah, that's what I want. An array of int vector of 501 for every value in the number in the array. Um, oh yeah, then you skip the frequency. Yeah, that works. Okay, cool. Fine, whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna call it there. Tomorrow I want to do this. Lab 6. I don't exactly know what it is. I think it's testing, right? Testing at ALU. That'll be pretty interesting. Yeah, okay. Um, Let me just play a quick game of chess, and then I will call it a day. All right, cool. Um, let's do 10 minutes. Cool. Boom, 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 boom. Take the center. I don't want to take that, so therefore I'm going to go here, maybe. There, I'll go there, check. I'll move it back. I'll move it there. I can maybe take on here. Hmm. Did I fuck that up? Hmm. It's not a huge issue, I feel. I can take which side? This side? He takes, then he just gives up the structure. Um, if I shove it in his face, can I do that? I'm winning here for sure. I just need to find the right moves. Moves the queen there. What's the idea here? What is the idea here? Um, I should be targeting this pawn, right? And the way to do so is maybe putting my queen on here, so I'm spying that pawn, right? And then I'll move the rooks around like there and there and then there maybe, so I can stack up the rooks. Um, that is a check. And if he takes with the rook, I'll take with this, he'll take with that. Um, if I take here, it's not good because he has more defended. Um, I'll rearrange it so I go here and then something with this. That's what I'm thinking. I go here, I hit that pawn. I should be winning, I think. I go here, maybe? Or should I take first? If I go here, he takes. That could be better, maybe? If I takes, he takes, I takes. I don't really know what the move is here. I feel like it's something along this line, but I'll just take maybe. So now this file opens up, but this is still here. Um, so if I takes, he takes, um, it's not that good, I guess. I feel like maybe I should do this. That pawn is hanging. Okay. So that's a pretty useless move, probably. Mm, I'll go here, and then I'll stack the rooks. Um, take. If I take this, he goes here. Then what's the idea? Just go here, no? Goes there. If I take, he takes, I take. Um, what's the idea here? So maybe I go there. Now there's only one and two. I have, if I take, he takes. I take, he takes. Then I lose the trade. So it's no good. If I come here, he takes the knight. If I check here, is that an idea? If I check here, he goes there. Um, if I take, what's the move here? What's the move here? Let's take, maybe. I don't really know, to be honest. He takes, I take. I don't really know. I think I fucked up somewhere along the lines. He does that. Okay, interesting. If I take, he takes, I take. Am I winning? I take the pawn, he takes my rook, I take his knight. Maybe that's not the most worth. He takes, I take, and then he takes. Oh, I'm probably losing here. Yeah, I think I am losing, but he trolled it. Um, he did troll it, because that should have been losing for me. But if I takes, he takes, and then is there some sort of play? Maybe, maybe like on a square like that. How can I defend a square like that? Oh my God, I have no more time. So tragic. Maybe like there? Oh, he takes. I couldn't take. If I take, he takes, and I just lose. Well, that's a very bad move. I had to move my rook, not my queen, probably. Or maybe I move it there and then, oh, shit. I trolled it actually. Yeah, it's GG's. Oh, but did he fuck up? No, because if I go there, his knight takes. Yeah, that's really poorly played by me. I think I was like very winning at one point, I think, and then it just all fell apart. Oh, fuck. I think like somewhere here, maybe. I was winning. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, the whole game I was just winning, but then I just couldn't find the right move. Damn. I was completely winning. What was the move here? I would just be very winning here. Instead, that's what I did. Um, yeah, here is trolled. Oh, okay. Let's play one more. Let's play one more. I think I'll go minus, to be honest. I'll go here, I guess. I'll go where exactly? Go here. Mm, you're very bad. pushes, I can come here. Um, I'll go like there maybe. Takes, I take. Okay, cool. Um, Now I can go somewhere like a cheeky this maybe. He wants this, so I shall go this. So it doesn't hang. I can take, I will take. Fucks up his pawn structure. Um, so now, am I in a better position? I don't even know, to be honest. If I go here, I'll go, I'll go this and castle king side probably. Yeah, he'll push. Um, Castle. Oh, I should. What happened? Why do you play? Yeah, fine. Take that. He couldn't take. I'll take. Uh, Hits my queen. Mm, 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 take. It's crazy. Just lost a piece for no reason. Just gave away the knight. Fine. I'll probably just open up these files, maybe. I don't really know what like this guy is doing. Seems like he's just a little bit of a troll. I'll take this pawn chain is kind of gross. Open up the file. God, I got cooked. E5. Um, he's trying to hit this, which is fine. It's gonna bring that up. I'm gonna go here, so it protects. Hit the queen, and then I have fork here incoming. Okay, fine. Fine move, fine move. I can probably have some moves here. Check. I'm gonna go here, like there. Okay, fine move. Oh, I just gave him a free fork. What the fuck? What am I doing, bro? Oh my God. Oh my God. That is so disgusting. I just played myself. Oh, wow. I'm trolling. I'm not really thinking with these moves. Go there, go there. Try and hit. Go there. Fine. Go there. Defending the pawn. Hits. Fine move. Let's go up there, maybe. He hits. Go there. Close up the file. Um, okay, fine. I would want to take, like, that's a very weak pawn, right? Gonna start attacking. Here, hit this. And then this also eyes this pawn. If I take, he's no advantage there. I'll put it here. And then I'll castle probably next round. Castle. Let's develop. He hits my bishop. Um, what's the move here? What is the move here? Mm, those lines. Um, putting my rook on this open file. That would be nice. Need to get rid of this pawn somehow, probably. Um, that is a hanging pawn. I just take. Mm, these squares for this bishop. No. Just come back here, maybe? Keep this file open. Maybe go there next. Stacking the rooks. Classic. Okay. Um, what's the next move for this knight? Like there? I'll come here. Maybe pushing this as well. Just to shove the knight out. Okay, goes there. Mm, is there a need for worry? That's my question. Takes, it is hanging. Let's bring it back. Probably there, next move. This knight is kind of annoying. Um, Is there a move here? Just bring him back, so what? Lets me take it. You want to take that, little bro? Not a huge problem. Um, if I go, he has to move. If he takes, I take. It's probably a fine move, right? Okay, fine. Um, Activate my bishops somehow. Feels very clogged around here. Goes there. Goes there. He takes? What? Why would he do that? But what? Okay. I think I should be winning, right? Yeah, I think I was winning. Let's do a couple of puzzles and then just call it. What? Okay, my turn. What is the move here? I'm thinking there I check and then I fork. I think I should use that. Cool. Goes there. I push this, he has to, he can't go there. He has to take. If I go there, he goes there, he goes there. What's the move here? I check. He goes, right? Mhm. Yeah. Um, Pushes. There has to be a check here somewhere. I can't go there. If I go there, he pushes. Right. Go there. That's GG. That's GG. These squares are covered. Um, these squares are all covered. That's GG. He shoves. What's the move here? I come down and check him, he just eats. If I trade, he trades. There's no trade here, right? Then what could be the move? If I come down here, it has to be move this, right? Now this is the threat. I have to come here, maybe? If I come down here. I don't really see the move here. What? What take? He takes. So it cannot be take, right? If I come here, I'm defending this as well. Maybe that? Yeah, I mean, I fucking know, bitch. There? So I'm hitting that, and he cannot take, right? There's no way he takes. Well, I'm hitting that. He goes there. I take this. He takes. I take. I take. He takes. I take. He takes. No, that can't be wrong. I takes. He takes. I take that. I takes. He takes. I takes. He has to move somewhere. He takes. I takes. Takes. I take. Right. Can't go there. Can't go there. Can't go here. Can't go there. Can't go there. Can't go there. Has to be there. And then I just win the rook, maybe. I push. Or do I, if I push, this is gated. He can go there, 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 there. Push he can't take, right? But if I go here, um, There has to be a checkmate somewhere. No, oh, it has to be this. Oh, fuck. Wait, let me redo that. Wait. Wait, no, man, I wanna go through that again. That was pretty interesting. Okay, so it's my turn. Okay, last one. Okay, I'm seeing this immediately, but the knight is in the way. Um, what the fuck? What? Oh my God. Okay, fine. One more. I have to get a perfect one. If I take and he takes, then I take and he takes. Am I winning? If I takes, he takes, I take, he takes, then who's really winning? If I go here, he's gonna take my rook. I'm gonna checkmate him. There has to be some sort of trade that gives me an advantage here. So it doesn't work. I take his bishop, he takes my queen. I take his queen, so I'm up a bishop, but then he takes my rook. And what's the advantage in that? Right now, I check him. He has to take, right? Or he can come up with this, and he's just being very fucking stupid. Or I'm thinking if I come here, or if I just take and check, then he has to take, then I come here with a check. There's nowhere he can go. Probably that, right? Where is the checkmate? Where is the checkmate? Do it. Okay, that's a free fork. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay, a move for white. For white. This looks like it's hanging. Um, but if he comes down here, what do I do? What do I do? Thinking how I can check the shit out of this guy. This can't go there. So if I come here, he has to come here. If I take and check, he takes, and I will take. Probably something like that. Oh, what? Ah, what's the catch? What is a nerd tap for me? And not just, okay. If I come down, he defends. Da-da-dun, 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 na, 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 na. Da-da-dun, 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 da-da-dun. Fuck. Bro, these moves are making me go maddening. Hmm, that sounds like the most, looks like the most obvious move, but it's not. Because if I come here, he comes here. Or maybe it's that. Oh, wait, what? If I come here. See this. Let's take that's oh God. See, that's why I'm a noob. Where's the checkmate? What? There's no way I take. No, I go there. No, I go there. No way I go there. What is the move? That is so elaborate. What the fuck? How would anybody find that? If I take, he has to take. Right. Let's get one perfect one and then I'll sleep. Um, looks a lot like this. Okay, maybe not like this, like that. Oh, this. No, the fuck? These squares are covered. If I go here, he can only go there. If I go here, he can only go there. Right. And then what do I do? Oh, probably that, right? So fucking obvious. I check. I then I go here. He has to take. I go here. He takes. I go there. It's here. Oh my God. Okay. Okay, one more, whatever. Um, that's a check. Can he take? If he takes, where'd I go? If I check him right now, check him right now, he takes. I got that though. Misclick. What happens if I go here? Can't take. That's not available. That's not available. That's not available. That is available. That is, that's not available, and that's not available. So he goes there. Okay, I'm starting to troll it. Whatever. Troll it now. Oh, I'm not really thinking. I go there. looks like a promising move. Bruh. Fork. Um, what the fuck? Take that shit for free, no? Nope. That's discovered. Okay, this, what the fuck? This turned to, okay. Peace, guys.